Double Take Auto Spa in Fremont. So we got this BMW in the house, you guys. So what I'm going to show you is all the swirl marks, fine lines that's in the paint. But we all know that this occurs during the washing and drying process, going to the local car wash. So we are performing our paint correction. Let's check this out, you guys. This is how amazing we can make your paint look. Look at that. Not a swirl mark in sight. So again, you don't have to ride around with your paint looking like this. Our paint correction can always remove all the imperfections from your paint, restoring a beautiful shine to make your BMW or any vehicle that you have look like this. So this is what we do at Double Take Auto Spa in Fremont, you guys. When you want to learn more, just feel free to contact us. Our number is 510-472-4181. So don't forget, you don't have to ride around like this because we can make your paint look like this. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.